Welcome to HouseLux Estate, your go-to channel for all things personal finance and budgeting. We're here to make the confusing world of finance a little clearer, a little simpler, and a lot more accessible. Think of us as your savvy friend who's always got the best tips for stretching your dollar and making every cent count. Each week, we share practical advice, innovative strategies, and inspiring success stories that will help you manage your money with confidence. From debt reduction to savings goals, from investment strategies to budgeting methods, we've got you covered. Our mission? To empower you to take charge of your finances and carve your path to financial freedom. So whether you're a seasoned saver or just starting your financial journey, you're in the right place. Today, we will delve into the world of cash envelopes for budgeting. So sit tight and let's dive in. First off, what is cash envelope budgeting? It's a question that might have crossed your mind, especially if you're on the journey towards financial freedom or simply looking to manage your finances better. Cash envelope budgeting is a method of managing personal finances that's as simple as it sounds. It involves dividing your cash into different envelopes based on your various budget categories. This could range from groceries to utilities to entertainment and so on. Each envelope then contains the cash allocated for that particular category for a set period, usually a month. Now, where did this all start? The cash envelope system has been around for quite a while, but it was popularized by personal finance guru Dave Ramsey. He touted it as an effective way to control spending and avoid debt. It's a system that emphasizes the tangibility of cash. Physically seeing the money you have to spend can make you more mindful about where it goes. Over the years, this method has gained traction and become a favorite among many budget planners. It's a testament to its simplicity and effectiveness. In an age where digital transactions are increasingly becoming the norm, the cash envelope system brings us back to basics. It's a tangible, visual method that can help curb overspending and make you think twice before making unnecessary purchases. Of course, it's not without its challenges. It requires discipline and a commitment to stick to the budget. But it's a small price to pay for the potential benefits it can bring. Better control over your money, less stress about finances, and the satisfaction of knowing exactly where your money is going. So now that you have a basic understanding of what cash envelope budgeting is, let's move on to how it works. In the next scene, we'll dive deeper into the mechanics of this system, showing you how to divide your money, manage your envelopes, and make the most out of your budget. So stay tuned. So how does this cash envelope budgeting system work? Let's peel back the curtain and dive directly into the mechanics of this simple yet potent financial tool. The first step is to categorize your expenses. These categories could include groceries, utilities, rent or mortgage, transportation, entertainment, and personal care. The list could go on depending on your lifestyle and spending habits. The key is to identify where your money is going each month. Once you've identified your categories, the next step is to allocate your funds. This means deciding how much money will go into each envelope based on your income and financial goals. For example, you might allocate $300 for groceries, $100 for utilities, and so forth. It's important to be realistic with your allocation, balancing your needs and wants. Now you have your envelopes filled with cash, each labeled with a specific category. Here's where the magic happens. When you need to spend money, you'll take it from the corresponding envelope. Buying groceries? That money comes from your grocery envelope. Paying your utility bill? That money comes from your utilities envelope. Remember, once an envelope is empty, that's it. You've used up your budget for that category for the month. This forces you to be mindful of your spending, helping you avoid overspending and leading you towards better financial habits. Lastly, track your spending. This is crucial. Write down how much you're spending and what you're spending it on. This will help you analyze your spending habits, identify areas where you might be overspending, and adjust your budget as needed. That's the basic process of cash envelope budgeting. It's simple, yet it requires discipline and consistency. But don't worry, it's a habit that you can cultivate over time. And trust me, the rewards are well worth it. That's the basic process of cash envelope budgeting. But how do you get started? Starting with cash envelope budgeting can seem daunting, but fear not, we've got you covered. First, let's tackle the question of categories. These will vary based on your personal spending habits. Some common ones include groceries, dining out, entertainment, and personal care. Take a moment to reflect on where your money tends to go each month and create categories that make sense for you. Next, it's time to allocate funds. This is where the magic of cash envelope budgeting really shines. By physically placing cash into each envelope, you'll have a tangible representation of your budget. If you're unsure of how much to allocate, start with your average monthly spending in each category. Remember, the goal here is not to restrict, but to gain awareness and control over your spending. Now, tracking your spending is a crucial step often overlooked. It's not enough to just divide your money into envelopes. You must also know where it's going. Keep a log of your spending for each category. This can be as simple as a notebook jotting or a digital spreadsheet. The important thing is to be consistent and honest with yourself. It's crucial to understand that the cash envelope system is not a set it and forget it kind of deal. It requires regular check-ins and adjustments. For example, if you find that you're consistently overspending in one category and underspending in another, it's time to reevaluate and adjust your allocations. Lastly, remember to be patient with yourself. Changing financial habits isn't easy, and it won't happen overnight. If you make a mistake or overspend, don't be too hard on yourself. Instead, take it as an opportunity to learn and adjust your strategy. And voila, you're now ready to start your cash envelope budgeting journey. So, why should you consider using cash envelopes for your budgeting? You might be asking. Well, let's dive into some of the key benefits that cash envelope budgeting has to offer. Firstly, one of the main advantages of this method is the control it gives you over your spending. When you allocate a certain amount of cash to each of your expense categories, it becomes a lot easier to stay within your budget. Once the money in an envelope is gone, that's it. There's no dipping into other funds or swiping a credit card. This physical limitation can be a powerful deterrent against overspending. Secondly, cash envelope budgeting can significantly increase your savings. By sticking to the budget you've set, you're less likely to waste money on unnecessary purchases. Any money left over in your envelopes at the end of the month can be put straight into savings. Over time, this can add up to a significant nest egg. Thirdly, this system makes budgeting more tangible and easy to understand. In today's digital age, it's easy to lose track of where your money is going. With cash envelope budgeting, you physically see the money you have and where it's allocated. This can give you a better understanding of your financial situation and encourage more mindful spending. Lastly, cash envelope budgeting can also lead to a sense of financial empowerment. It's a simple yet effective way to take control of your finances. You're not just mindlessly spending, but actively choosing where your money goes. This can lead to a sense of accomplishment and confidence in your financial decisions. In conclusion, cash envelope budgeting offers a practical, straightforward approach to managing your money. It promotes mindful spending, increases savings, simplifies the budgeting process, and empowers you to take control of your finances. As you can see, cash envelope budgeting has many benefits that can help you manage your finances more effectively. So why not give it a try and see the positive changes it can bring to your financial life? And that's a wrap on cash envelope budgeting. We've taken a deep dive into this straightforward yet effective budgeting technique. We started by defining what cash envelope budgeting is, a method of allocating specific amounts of cash to different spending categories tucked away in separate envelopes. We then explored how this system works. By physically dividing your money, you gain a tangible sense of your spending limits, which can help you control your expenses more effectively. Next, we walked through the steps of getting started, from determining your spending categories to filling your envelopes with cash. Lastly, we discussed the benefits. With cash envelope budgeting, you can visualize your spending, avoid overspending, and ultimately achieve your financial goals. So are you ready to take charge of your budget? Don't forget to subscribe to HouseLux Estate for more personal finance and budgeting tips. Until next time, happy budgeting.